Someday there's going to be a compilation of all the stupid stuff I've said on tape. All the videos I made.
I'm sure. You'll be paying a ransom for it.
Stocking a stuffer for your wet shaver. Stocking a stuffer?
Stocking a stuffer.
Stuffing a stocking for your wet shaver.
It doesn't have to be hard.
What happened to the show? What happened? We were once wholesome here. Anyways.
I'm not recording.
Okay. Are the ears tucked in or out? Ears are in. I've never been ice skating, so I'm a little excited, a little afraid. It's mostly excited though.
There's no brakes. Okay.
I rollerbladed. I've heard it's close to rollerblading.
I said that to you earlier.
I know. I heard it from Doug. I've heard it right here.
And you, filling me in on your scams. We're here filming this documentary for school.
That's what I told him.
How old do we look?
I don't know how they think I look, maybe. I know how I feel. 17.
Whoa!
Wish I could. Merry Christmas.
Rolling. No, I didn't say action yet. Focus. Action.
Anyways, it's time to stuff some stockings. As wet shavers, you know, we usually get these stockings every year. It's just because other wet shavers aren't packing them for us. So for this section...
Sorry. Other wet shavers aren't packing. That whiskey shot went right to my head.
Anyways, folks.
See, the thing is, you and I are like a great cologne. If you open it every day and leave the cap off, it doesn't have the same. If you leave the cap on for a while, it really builds up some potency. So like this, we haven't done for a couple months, you know, like for a couple months.
I think I have an erection.
I know, I do.
Oh, really? I should be 320. I'm trying to like frame out the that's so sad. Okay, action.
So,
What do you want us to use?
I'll use this. This is fine.
Okay.
You want a freshie? Or the...
I want the broken in one.
That one smells good.
You smell good. Why can't I quit you?
Dude, you never get hired.
You're about to drink beer. Be in a good mood.
We're gonna drink beer. I'm in a good mood.
Great.
I have a big enough mouth that you can still understand me.
Well, I don't know if I understand you, but we can definitely hear you. When I wake up early in the morning.
Is he done chewing?
This is f***ing killing me.
Okay. I swallowed.
Golf clap.
Tight, 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 tight.
Oh, what is that?
I can't feel my face.
I feel horrible. I ate like 7 pieces of pizza.
Oh, so dumb.
Yeah, I don't think you're sick. I think you'd rather just go eat.
I was a lot of pizza. I don't know
The
why I
meal's
ate so
not over
much.
when the food is gone. The meal is only over when I hate myself.
Goodbye. Good hetero.
Man, that was dumb.
You're dumb.
Well, up until now, we've covered everything wet shaving for the last, like, what, 2 seasons? Now we're covering dry shaving, folks.
Yep.
This is just where we're at right now.
You're going in dry.
So, we can... we'll start with Chick. Shall we, Matt? Matt? I know we talk a lot about...
Yes! Yes! Let's go!
Yes!
Let's go! In with Chick!
It all begins with Chick.
Which one?
Papers, please.
Who are you, comrade? Questions?
So, folks, thank you again for joining us today. I said thank you again when this is the first time I'm thanking you. But thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
They
you.
like us. They really like us. Anyways.
Let's go back, sorry.
Okay.
Alright, intro's on the green screen, so we can jump right into the magic right here. Are you not gonna wear your hat?
Oh.
Why'd you tell him?
It's just somewhat weird because he has hair. Like, you'd think that he's like bald under there, but then you see it and it's like, you have so much hair. Like, why do you wear that hat all the time? It's weird to like not have your hat on.
No, I agree. It's definitely, it's my character.
And like, you wear a hat all the time, so like, that's what bald men do. You know what I mean? Well, but and so it's weird that you're not bald.
Bald short man, like George
Like,
Costanza.
I'm being nice.
Okay. Yes. I see where you are being nice.
It felt really nice.
I'm just fashionably on point. Man, I mean, look at him. Jeff, are you bald?
No.
What's up with the hat?
It stinks too.
That
was a good one.
It was a good one, right? And then like
The sailor then told the
Yes.
mermaid,
Wrong.
"See you next time."
Maybe you're like me and don't give up.
Maybe build up a little bit of confidence with your shaving technique. So
My mom's knocking. Hold on.
we'll see you next time on I'd Lather Be Shaving.
Senator Albert Fato. His daughter's missing.
Shut it down!
That was good. You guys were really getting into it. Your sweat was shooting out of your face.
Decide that we're not using.
I love
Oh, Matt, that was so...
Alright, don't drink that, Matt. Straight up. I promise you, you don't want to drink
I
it.
know.
We asked you if you wanted to
slowly started drinking it though.
stop. Every time he starts drinking, I go,
That mug
drink.
is dirty. Don't put your mouth in it.
Don't waste
Really
your coffee in
dirty.
this cup.
I did drink like 2 or 3 sips already.
It's only the
You're
hint.
really not going to want to admit that ever.
Well, in the tradition of all things Europe, rather than put a bunch of different shaving creams on our face, we're
We're
going
gonna
to...
get wasted.
Yeah, let's do it. Because...
We got nothing else going on, and neither do you.
Yeah, beer's cheaper than water in
Captured
England.
audience, as far as I'm concerned. So
And-
you're gonna watch us drink early in the morning.
Because, the police, Sting, Britain, shaving cream,
Stuart Copeland,
beer.
Andrew Summers.
Roxanne! Woo!
Got it?
I sent him a copy of that.
Save some money at 2 guys.
We'll save money for you at 2
We'll
guys.
save money for you at 2 guys.
Oh, hey!
Hey! We were just looking at porn. No. Yeah, take your eyeglasses off.
Alright, well, we tried. So anyway, 3, 2, 1.
Boom! And we're back!
Alright, we just got back from dancing.
No, don't ever do that again. Ever.
Well, I thought it was good.
Yeah, I bet you did. But
We have, thought a lot about this episode, and we thought, let's talk about surviving your first straight razor shave.
it's true. A lot of you've come to wet shave.
What the
Old battery just died. It's okay.
It's all right. We know where we are.
But you can snap it back into alignment, and that's what a strap does. A strap is just snapping back into alignment your edge. So Doug, thanks for asking me, Doug, about the angle of a straight razor.
That's what I meant. The angle of the... No.
Now, I have to mention that.
Last thing to consider with brushes is this bad boy over here. What is this?
Oh, that's made out of. Well, feel it. What do you think?
I mean, it's so soft. It's actually softer than badger hair. I'm gonna have to guess dye-fed.
No, but I took 2 of those this morning. That's iFu.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's haifu. Ifu. It's ifu. Let's take that segment over. So one more thing to consider in the world of brushes would be this over here. Now this feels kind of different. I think it's ifu hair.
I'm the one saying
What
iFu.
am I supposed to say? What's my build-up?
You say, this isn't badger, and I go, no, it's iFu.
Okay.
But let us not forget this, Matt.
Yeah, so there's one more thing in the world of shaving. What is this exactly? It's not badger though.
No, it's iFu.
What's ifu?
Ifuju.
Cut it out. Oh my god.
Roll on 1
How do you
and
feel?
2.
Like dancing.
After lunch, how do you feel?
Full.
Good full or bad full?
Bashful.
You look like Zorro, Matt.
What?
You look like Zorro.
Who's Zorro?
Who's Zorro?
Joke. Joking.
I don't know why I'm looking at you. You can't see me.
Who is Zorro? Okay.
Is that Antonio Banderas?
Use
You
this?
don't
Yes.
know who Zorro is?
I think it'd be funny because then you can actually hear it on the overheads if you use that.
It's C. tetani. C. tetani is what is in fact in dirt, not rust. It's just when you see a rusty nail, you can only assume that it's been outside for long enough it would take to, as much as it would. Jamie, what am I trying to say here?
See?
C. tetani. That's what's giving you tetanus, folks. Not rust.
If you see a rusty
It's
nail,
dirt. It comes from dirt. It's bacteria. If you see a rusty nail, tell an adult. But know that it probably doesn't necessarily have tetanus. This is science, people. Science, Jamie!
We shouldn't have drank.
And yes, we're drunk.
I shouldn't have drank at all.
So, we're done here. And what is she doing? Did I break the 4th wall again? The 4th commandment? Whatever the f I did, something happened? Jamie, let's go.
I was good too. I was totally with it, but I was watching Marissa laughing and I couldn't stop laughing.
Did that make sense?
Yeah, that was good.
No, we can't use that. I'm just sitting here laughing the entire time.
No, it's fine. It's just complete bullshit.